Hi! In this video, I will show you how to fix PayPal not working on Valorant. So if you have problems with your PayPal and it's not working, what you can do in that case is to make sure to check your PayPal account. Ensure that your PayPal is not restricted or you don't have any limits set on your account. Then you can also refresh your network connection by using the command prompt, or you can also test if your connection is secure and fast enough in order to run PayPal and Valorant simultaneously. You can also try different payment methods and see if it checks out. You can use credit or debit card or purchase Valorant gift cards. You can also enable location services. And in order to enable it, you need to make sure to go to your settings for this one. And you need to also save your payment information. Just select the option to save payment info during checkout. And if everything still doesn't check out, you can contact the support and reach out to them regarding your purchase. So that's how you fix PayPal not working on Valorant. Hope you helped.